Breaking news. Until 2025, green card holders' lawful permanent residents believed they were relatively safe in the U.S. But with President Trump back in office and introducing sweeping immigration reforms, that sense of security has started to fade. The reality is, even those with permanent residency are now facing increased risks of deportation, and it's important to understand why. Welcome to U.S. Immigration News. If you care about your immigration status or know someone who does, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an important update. Many people assume that once you have a green card, you're untouchable, that you've secured your place in America permanently. But that's not entirely true. The U.S. government has the authority to revoke green card status under certain conditions. And now, with immigration enforcement ramping up, these conditions are being enforced more aggressively than ever. One of the biggest risks to your green card is involvement in criminal activity. Convictions involving moral turpitude such as theft, fraud, or assault can lead to removal proceedings. More serious crimes, like drug trafficking or firearms offenses, can result in immediate deportation. Even relatively minor drug-related charges can put your status at risk, depending on the specifics of your case. These laws have been in place for years, but under Trump, they're being enforced with greater intensity. Another key factor is fraud. If it's discovered that a green card was obtained through dishonest means like a sham marriage, fake documents, or false statements, the consequences can be severe. Not only can your status be revoked, but you could also face a lifetime ban from returning to the United States. Immigration officers treat fraud very seriously, and any dishonesty in your application process could come back to haunt you. A less obvious, but common reason for losing permanent residency is abandonment. Green card holders are expected to maintain strong ties to the U.S. That includes living primarily in the country, filing taxes as a resident, and avoiding long stays overseas. If immigration officials believe you've given up your residency, like staying abroad too long or not keeping a U.S. address, they may deny your re-entry or even strip your green card altogether. National security concerns are also a major issue. If a green card holder is suspected of having ties to extremist groups or is involved in activities viewed as hostile to the United States, their status can be revoked immediately. These cases are rare, but when they occur, deportation can be swift. Since his return to office, President Trump has made immigration enforcement one of his top priorities. His administration has reintroduced executive orders, increased deportation efforts, and placed more scrutiny on immigrants regardless of how long they've held legal status. Law enforcement agencies have been given expanded authority to investigate, interview, and even visit green card holders at home. One of the major shifts under Trump is the expansion of fraud investigations. Green card renewals and citizenship applications now come with more intensive background checks, in-person interviews, and deeper document verification. The public charge rule, which limits access to green cards for those seen as likely to use government assistance, has also returned, affecting many people seeking to adjust their status. In addition, stricter travel policies mean that even green card holders might face issues when trying to re-enter the country. People from countries under the travel ban or those with any past legal troubles could be subjected to lengthy questioning at the border or denied entry altogether. These changes have left many lawful residents feeling anxious, unsure if their long-term future in the U.S. is still secure. So, what can green card holders do? First and foremost, avoid legal trouble. Any criminal record, no matter how small, can increase your risk. It's equally important to maintain your U.S. ties, file taxes, keep a permanent address, and if you plan to travel for long periods, apply for a re-entry permit to protect your status. If you're concerned about your situation or have questions, it's smart to consult with an immigration attorney. They can help you understand your rights, assist with renewals or citizenship, and defend you if removal proceedings are initiated. While the fear many green card holders feel is very real, understanding the facts can offer peace of mind. Deportation is not random. It usually stems from specific legal issues, fraud, abandonment, or national security concerns. But under the Trump administration's stricter enforcement, being aware of your responsibilities is more important than ever. Staying informed, following the law, and seeking legal help when needed can help you protect your status and continue your journey in the United States. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching U.S. Immigration News. We're committed to keeping you informed on all immigration topics, including visitor visas, work permits, student visas, and green card categories like EB1 through EB5. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.